Dear students, now we have to see this topic very clearly in a explained form. Just see, the first topic is nutrition in humans. Okay, in that I tell you before only 4 steps are present. First one is egestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and egestion. These steps are included in the nutrition in human being. Okay, so first step we have to see here now very briefly. The first step is ingestion. Ingestion means the process by which organism take in food is called ingestion. Organism take in food is called ingestion. Now just see this, after ingestion what happened? Teeth are present inside the mouth. These teeth plays very important role to convert complex food material into the simpler one. Just see how. Teeth have 2 types, milk teeth and permanent teeth. Milk teeth falling off at the age of 6. There is a 20 teeth. In milk teeth means 20 sets of teeth there. 10 teeth in each jaw. In upper jaw 10 teeth and in lower jaw 10 teeth are present in milk teeth. Okay, and this milk teeth falling off at the age of 6. The next type is permanent teeth. We people know that permanent teeth having the 32 teeth in that, 16 in each jaw, and these permanent teeth appear after milk teeth fall off. The next is, see, these teeth have again some types, like these teeth are divided into 4 parts. First is incisors. Incisors are 4 incisors. These incisors are sharp in nature, so it is helpful to bite the food material. Canines have 2. This is also very sharp. 2 canines are present inside the mouth. Premolars are 4. Premolars are somewhat wide in nature, and molars are 6. It have the flat surface, okay, to grasp the food material, chew it very properly. These 4 types are present in the teeth. Understand very well this ingestion process up to here only. This ingestion process is there. Ingestion. The next process is digestion. Now just see, digestion means the process by which food is broken down into simpler form that can be absorbed by the body is called digestion. Means whatever the food material convert, that complex food material convert into the simpler food material, and with the help of teeth, tongue, this food material is absorbed by our body, and this process is called as the digestion. This digestion is carried out by some organs, like first is tongue. With the help of tongue the food material get inside this and their salivary glands are present. This salivary gland secretes saliva, okay, and in that salivary amylase one chemical is present which is also mixed in the food material to convert it in soft form. The next one is oesophagus. Oesophagus is nothing but the food pipe. This oesophagus is start from mouth up to the stomach, and this oesophagus plays very important role to pass this food material from mouth up to the stomach. How? Just see, this one is the long pipe, and in that pipe by rhythmically contraction and relaxation all food material will move. Rhythmically contract, relax in this manner. This food material will move inside with the help of this esophagus. Next, stomach. Now see, in the stomach this some juices are secreting that, like digestive juices. Digestive juices contain pepsin, and pepsin helps to digest protein. Next one is hydrochloric acid. We people know hydrochloric acid is also released in the stomach, which create acidic medium in the stomach. When this secretion is in more quantity, suppose hydrochloric acid is secreted in more quantity, then what happen? We feel like acidity. So this hydrochloric acid is very important to digest whole food material. The next one is mucus. Mucus is a soft, mucus plays very important role to maintain this acidic medium in proper way inside the stomach. Means this mucus is helps to protect internal wall of the stomach by means of this acidic reaction. Understand? The next is this, after stomach, small intestine is present. This small intestine is like a coiling structure, and in that small intestine there is at the walls of this small intestine there is a presence of villi. Villi are finger like projection, like this finger villi are there. So by means of this villi, to this villi there is a connection of some blood capillaries. So whenever the food material is converted into the carbohydrate, protein, fats, these all very important juices, these all important juices are absorbed by this villi, which is called as the finger-like projection. And these villi, when absorbed all food material, it get mixed into the blood by means of the blood capillaries. Understand, students? And the next one is, after small intestine, means small intestine secretes this intestinal juice, which is also helpful to digest the food material. After that, some digestive glands are also present in the stomach, and these digestive glands contain liver, gallbladder and pancreas. See, this liver or gallbladder contain bile juice. Bile juice is also very important to digest our food material. And pancreas contain pancreatic juice. This pancreatic juice is also helpful to digest our food material in very well manner. Students, just see, this one is somewhat complicated in nature, but when you people see this video very properly, read the lesson carefully, and then only you will betterly understand this concept in proper way. Understand, students? Thank you.